All right, guys, good day. This is a video on how to get a free Yoruba Bible, the Bíbélì Mimo Tabi Majemu Lailai at Titun. I find that this Bible is the closest to the King James Bible. I don't know if it's just as accurate as the King James Bible, but I know it's the closest to the King James Bible. So, here you go. You go on your internet browser and you type in www.hollis.harvard.edu. So for some reason, this doesn't go directly to the website because I'm using my tablet, but you should be able to just get to it from here if you're using a tablet, or it should just go directly to the website if you're using your PC. So this is the Harvard Library Catalog, and so you just go on there and then you type in Bíbélì Mimo, and so yeah, it should be coming up. So it's coming up. Takes a bit to load. So you're gonna have a lot of results, as you can see, a lot of things about Yoruba Bibles and stuff like that. But the one you want to go to is the first one where it says View Online. So you click that one, View Online, and then there you go, guys. So it shows you a PDF file of this document. This is the whole entire Bible, Genesis to Revelations, and it is the closest to the King James as far as I can tell. I don't know if it's just as accurate as the King James, but it is the closest to the King James. So this is pretty exciting. So anyway, you go. I talk too much. Ha! Anyway, you go up here. Sorry, I'm trying to go fast, but anyway, you go up here and you click right here where it says download PDF, and so then it shows you this thing that verifies whether you're a robot or whatever. But it says to continue with your download, please type the characters you see below. So EVESSESS, I think I'm correct. So there you go, and so download. So it's starting to download, and if you look at the top left corner, it's downloading. So I'm just gonna wait till it's done. I went to an animation trip to Nigeria recently, and we were not able to find a good Yoruba Bible. We were not able to find this Bible, anywhere. So it was pretty exciting for me to find this. Sorry, my mind is okay. So here, so then you go to files to find it, and go to downloads, and there you go, guys. See, it says Bíbélì Mimo. So you click that, and voila, boom, it's like right here. So I am so excited about this document, and I've been looking for one for like a very long time. I have a hard copy of it. You can buy it on Amazon, and I've been emailing the publishers to be able to, for them to give me a free copy, because it's a or to just give me a copy so that I can even pay for it, but an online one. But nobody was willing to help me, so I was able to find this online. I'm pretty excited. It gives it the whole thing from Genesis to Revelations. You can print it, you can upload it to Google Drive, you can have it anywhere you are. You can, print just the New Testament, and, give it out for free. And so if you have any questions as to how I can tell that it's the closest to the King James, you can always ask below. But this is it. Here you go, guys, and enjoy it and have a nice day.